Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to cook a typical Indian style chicken rice. For that I've got 2 lb of chicken breast cut into very small pieces like this, and let's get started. First I'm taking 2 cups of basmati rice, and let's soak this basmati rice for 30 minutes in water. And in spices I've got 1/4 of a teaspoon of whole pepper, same 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and little fennel seeds, 2 cardamom, and 5 to 6 cloves, small cinnamon stick, and 5 to 6 red chili, and few bay leaves. And also I have got 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Let's take a frying pan and turn on the heat, and let's add 1 tablespoon of oil and start adding cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, and just saute it for a while. After 30 seconds, let's add cumin seeds, whole pepper, and fennel seeds, and again saute it for another 30 seconds. And then add the coriander seeds and again saute it for few seconds. And finally I'm adding red chilies and saute it for 15 to 20 seconds, and then we can turn off the heat. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down for a few minutes, and then we can grind it. So now I have added the spices in a mixer grinder. Now I'm going to grind it. So I have grinded it, and it's not a smooth powder. I would say it's like 80 to 90%, which is completely fine. Now take a vessel, turn on the heat, and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding 1 onion cut into very small pieces, and fry these onions until they turn light brown in color. So once the onions are fried, I have got 2 small sized tomatoes cut into small pieces, and let's add it, and again fry this for another 5 minutes. So the tomatoes are cooked. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and let it cook for 2 more minutes. And now I'm adding half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of salt, and then I'm adding the chicken. Just mix it completely. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's add the masala that we prepared earlier, and mix this masala completely. After 3 minutes, I'm adding half a cup of water. So I'm going to close it with the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. So while our chicken is getting cooked, let's cook the basmati rice. So in a vessel, I've got water, and add half a tablespoon of salt, and turn on the heat and let it boil. So the water is boiled. Let's add our rice. And don't cook the rice completely. Once you feel the rice is 80% cooked, we can turn off the heat. So the rice looks almost cooked, so I'm going to turn off the heat and drain the water. So it's been 15 minutes we have been cooking this chicken, and the chicken is cooked completely. So let's move this chicken aside, and then I've got 3 eggs. Let's add the egg in the sides and let's cook it separately. Make sure you're not mixing this egg with the chicken. Let it cook and then we can mix it. So the egg is cooked. Now we can mix it with the chicken. And finally, let's add the rice. And I'm also adding a little bit of ghee. And now mix this completely, but carefully mix it, don't break the rice. And let's close it with the lid, and on a very mild flame let's cook for 10 more minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down. So now let's open it. Wow, it looks good. And little garnishing with coriander leaves, and our chicken rice is ready. So please take a look. There's our rice. So there's a typical Indian style chicken rice. Please give a try, guys, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.